Well, here we are at the dock, going out for the boat trip this afternoon on the Daikoki with Mike and Jean and Todd. Just getting a little bit of ice before we head off.
Watch your foot.
Hey Ned, what do you got on there, pal?
We got a little grouper action.
Groupie, you say?
Some groupie action.
Ned's finally got some groupies, huh?
I finally got a groupie.
You look like the old man in the sea pictures that, you know?
I think it's going the other way.
Slides.
This one's hard.
Yeah.
Quit playing with it.
Watch your foot. Watch your foot. Watch your foot, buddy. All right.
Okay.
It's a new dance. Time for a new dance on Sprockets.
Oh yeah, see you out there.
Hey, is that sweat on your shirt?
The Romans do it first. I see how you do it now. Yeah.
Seems to be stalemate now.
Hey, you know why Mike leaves that lid down? He likes to see you do a double entry. It's Olympics. We like to see the double tumble on the way in.
I'm drinking my work here.
Double somersault with pie.
This might be a little bigger.
Oh my God.
Hey.
Huh?
That's, hey, Mike,
Same fit.
that's the words
same
no
one,
guy
yeah.
likes to hear, Mike.
We've got a repeat offender. He's back.
You know?
I got it.
She must have
Where
liked
you going,
Todd's
buddy? Watch
arm.
your feet, man.
Well, don't rap, you say. Don't rap. She wants more.
You guys want to reach in there on this next
It's a
one.
tiny bit smaller after.
Yeah, a little guy. Put out the welcome mat. There you go, buddy. Oh yeah, he doesn't have a big fin, so we can't really fight you too far.
He feels like we do after an Italian restaurant.
Taco Bell.
Oh! Woo! All right. Mission accomplished.
Nice.
YouTube.
Look at the red
YouTube.
That's my exercise for the day.
I know me too.
Well done,
I
Ned.
worked out this morning too.
Ned, we were there to support you if you needed anything, buddy.
Yes, man.
Moral support.
That would have ended up on YouTube as well.
Uh-oh.
You gotta believe it.
She spit the hose.
Oh, she's bleeding already.
Yeah, just a little.
Got a little blood flowing there.
Watch, she might flip when I roll her.
She could be grumpy, irritable, cramps.
Gonna need a little corrective plastic surgery there.
That was one big ass fish, huh?
Whoop.
Woo.
I'm thinking of the title of this, and it's going to be something about Ned versus Nature, or
Go, Ned! Go, Ned! Go! Remember that one?
yeah, I love that stuff. We went to high school together, and that was the chant whenever he was out there.
Like, go, Ned! Go, Ned! Go, Ned! Go, Ned! Go,
Is that your nickname, Ned?
Exactly, the whole high school. We chanted go, Ned.
Go Ned, go Ned.
I think Mark Montgomery had something to do with that.
Oh, yeah. Or Tommy Marshall was good at creating that stuff, too.
Absolutely.
He was a deviant sort, wasn't he?
Absolutely. Dylan! Dylan! You want to help me measure? I think we got it.
Oh, she's getting ready. Tighten it up on you.
This is, I think, either going to be really good or an arm amputation.
This just stays at the lip level, right? Yeah. Ooh, you're so big, I don't think I can.
That's quite a shaft you've got there, Todd.
Not the first time I've heard that.
Oh, this will go well on stage.
Go deep, Todd.
Not from a circus family.
How deep are you going with that thing?
Yeah. Whoa!
His tail came up.
It's right. I think she's aroused.
You know what? She's kind of lean and hungry because
Taking it all.
the only thing in there is me.
You feel it?
Yeah.
All the way back.
I did. I went as far as I could.
Anything in it?
Oh,
Nothing. Nothing. All right.
was hungry.
That's why he bit.